Once, a flock of pigeons was flying over a jungle. The pigeons were tired and hungry. Suddenly, they saw grains of millet scattered over a clear area. The pigeons asked their leader to come down and eat the grains. But the old and experienced leader said,
No, there may be danger. It seems to me that it is a trap of a bird catcher.
The other pigeons said,
Oh, you old fellow, you are always suspicious. See, we are too hungry and tired. We will be careful, don't worry.
and they didn't pay heed to the old pigeon and came down to the ground. As they started to eat the grains, they found themselves caught in the net of a birdcatcher. Now, they got frightened. They were repenting for their folly and haste. One of them said to the old pigeon, Sir, we are very ashamed for not listening to your advice. We regret our hasty decision. Please forgive us and tell us a way to save ourselves. The leader was a kind and wise pigeon. He said,
This is the result of your carelessness and hasty action. Anyway, we have to be courageous and united. Now, listen to me carefully. If all of us pull together and try to fly, we can lift this net and fly away with it and save ourselves.
Just then, they saw the birdcatcher coming. The leader shouted,
Friends, use your full might and fly up, quickly.
All the pigeons pulled together and flew away with the net. The birdcatcher was very surprised and upset. He ran after the pigeons for some distance to catch the net. But he could not follow them. Thus, the pigeons were saved. So, children, now you know how great unity is. Disunity is a curse. It only ruins us. Always remember, if the people of a country are not united, it may fall in the hands of another country. So, always bear it in mind, unity is strength.